Officers rolled up on a suspected break-in outside a Glendale shopping complex, spotting two males near a green Hyundai. But before questions could be asked, both suspects jumped into a Kia Optima already packed with 7 teens. What followed was pure chaos.
Wrong way on Silver Spring, continuing, bound in the east. I am not in pursuit, I'm just following, continuing west in the east. Coming up on heavy traffic, occupied about 5 times. They're continuing in the wrong lanes of traffic. There's heavy traffic coming. I'm only following, not in pursuit. West and the east. They got a flat tire. Back, left side, and driver's side. Front is flat. They are continuing west in the east. Not in pursuit. It's Kia Illinois plates. They have now corrected back into lanes, correct lanes of travel. Their car is falling to pieces right now. They just lost their back tire and their back bumper. We are eastbound on Bender, passing Bittersweet. Speeds are 80. No traffic out here. Correct lanes of travel. Coming up to port. They're on rims right now, sliding. Coming up to a red light at Bender and Port. Nearly missed the vehicle, slid out of control. Northbound. Police! Stop! I'm releasing the dog! Driver, black male, red sweater. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get down! Get down!
Car, I have one.
Get down!
Okay, I'm down.
Camera 160. I believe 2 passengers ran east from my location. I see a citizen pointing cell phone on my bell.
750 in pursuit. Landmark Credit Union. Stop running. Stop running. Stop running. Put your hands behind your back.
From my location, I see a citizen pointing cell phone on my bell. 794, I got 1 female in custody. The black male.
We're behind the house on the northwest corner. No, I got 3 at gunpoint and 2 other officers with me. Behind the house. All 3.
This Ford Escort had no plate and no plans to stop. When the trooper lit it up near US 271 and Rutgers, the driver punched it, fleeing west, then cutting into Oklahoma at high speed, blowing stop signs and weaving recklessly.
Doing good.
1037. We are going down to Rutgers towards Oklahoma, I believe. It's a red Ford passenger car, no 28. It's like one option.
Good work.
Speed 68.
Good work.
Still on Rutgers, coming going up the Texas road. He might have, no, he's still going. We're on a dirt road going back towards 271, I believe. Looks like he threw something up the driver's side.
Railroad crossing. Or something.
We're paralleling a power line.
Well, looks like you're about to come up to the curb. So they turn onto Mayor Avenue.
I ain't stayed on Gary. We're still south, I guess. He just crashed out. He just crashed out. He's on foot. On foot.
Or on foot.
We're going. He's crossing the fence. We're going through the field.
This gray Altima looked routine until the trooper walked up and the driver took off. Flying down I-55 shoulder and passing cars at high speed, the suspect pushed his luck until a tactical hit brought things to an end. He claimed he ran because he thought he had weed, but what troopers found was far more serious.
Southbound.
10-14-20, never.
Show me your hands now! Get out of the car, do it now! Get out of the stop! Everybody get on the ground! Everybody get on the ground right now! Driver, step out with your hands up! Step out with your hands up! Turn around, face away from me. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Come, stand up or you're gonna get dog bit. Walk backwards. Keep walking backwards. Stop, get on your knees. Get on your knees. Stay right there. Do not move.
City,
car is packed full of people. I've got driver at gunpoint. I need some more people down here. Nobody move. You got me? Don't move. Stop. Stop. Driver, stand up and walk back to me. Walk backwards to me. Keep going. Keep going. Keep coming. Keep coming to me. Keep coming to me. Step to your right. Step to your right. Step to your right. Stop. Go to your knees. Cross your legs. Don't move, everybody. Yeah, well, that was dumb, huh? Don't move. Man, what was that all about? Stand up.
Bullshit, thought I had some weed on me. I ain't even got no fucking weed.
Is there anybody else in that car, or is it just y'all?
Just us.
Everybody stand up. Keep your hands on top of your head. Turn around and face away from me. Face away from me. Come here, man. Y'all are good. Y'all are good. Y'all step right back here, but I'm by myself, so I want to be able to see y'all control you. Stop right there. Everybody stop. Pull your pants up. Everybody stop. Y'all stay right where you're at.